Happy Thursday morning! I've got a special guest in today's vlog segment.
Hello, everybody.
He has overexposed. Yes, this one has finally joined the ranks. He is here on at least a year-long visa, aren't you?
Probably, yeah.
So that's the, oh Jesus.
Just over there.
Italians. If you start seeing us posting pictures with fairy lights on a balcony in the freezing cold somewhere, feel free to kill us. We are going to officially pick up the keys for the new Brooklyn/Queens apartment. I say that because it's on the border and we're just excited to get the keys and like finally start ordering furniture. I've already ordered some art prints. I'm like getting way ahead of myself, but I'm excited for this one. I really wanted to make it somewhere that I love. So yeah, main agenda is just showing Cathal around the new apartment and taking measurements. Is literally ruining lives, but we got the keys. We're basically just taking the leisurely route to the apartment block now. We're kind of checking out our new neighborhood.
It's very nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Did I do a good job?
You did a good job. Perfect job.
Apart from some awkwardly placed outlets that we're going to figure out.
Yeah.
There's some builders here, so we can't really talk too much. They're just weatherproofing the windows a little bit more. It's room for utensils. I'm spoiled. Wine rack. Or pantry. So now the builders left for a second, but I've decided that, I mean, this wardrobe was not going to be enough for two of us, so you can get an idea of the drippy light that I was talking about. This is what I'm dreaming of. That's also the perfect space for a 3-door wardrobe, which is kind of what I feel like I need for all of my stuff, considering we probably won't have dressers or drawers or anything like that, because I don't know, I kind of hate dressers. Either a desk here or a desk here by the window so I can do my makeup. It's so hard to judge things. This room will probably feel a lot smaller once everything is in it. I'm about to show Colin my favorite part, the work area, the little marble outdoor, indoor work area. Can you see anything from here? More workspace in here and like a little mini cinema area. I'm sure you guys know already, but I have an apartment tour up already. So if you want to see like everything that's in my building, this is like our little cinema space. It's like a common room area. Lots of nice wood paneling. Yeah, you can watch the full tour there where I kind of go through like the costs and the apartment viewings I went to in this area, all that good stuff will be linked down below. I didn't get to show you guys the gym last time, but I do have a little mini gym which will be good for my workouts, things like that. Took all the measurements we needed, I think, and now we're just heading back to the flat. So yes, good evening from us on the Upper East Side. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Shout out to Squarespace who are sponsoring this whole new apartment and moving experience vlog that you're watching today. If you guys happen to be in the market for a new professional website or blog, then be sure to check out my Squarespace link, squarespace.com/Tarmar, to start your free trial. Time to start moving. It's beyond me, why would anyone want moving vlogs? It's like watching two people compete to survive in the Hunger Games. This is all you're getting, some suitcases, some furniture. Won't be showing you much of the moving out process because it's stressful, so I'll see you in the moving in. I mean, what kind of sickos like this kind of content, really? Easter rug came, made it, brought over the bulk of our stuff in one go. My angel friend and her boyfriend helped us out with their truck, so we didn't have to get a moving van, but we actually don't have that much. As you can see, we didn't actually bring pretty much any of the furniture from our old place, apart from that acrylic chair and my white console table because it's beautiful. I could never let that go. And like this little side table, like there's not any actual like big bedding or mattresses that we had to move. So yeah, we can just do more back and forth over the next week or so, but we will be sleeping at the other apartment. This is just all the stuff that we don't really need that much, all of the big awkward stuff. Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, boy.
Virtual high five. Dun, dun, dun. the tones, so much satisfaction. I just want to keep it like this. But if I didn't already mention, we're going to get like a big IKEA wardrobe for here that goes really high. Color is not picking up at all, but this rug is beautiful. It's a lot more like warm toned in real life, but I'm just praying that it's the right size. Oh, it's starting to look so small now. Yeah, I think it'll just about work. We won't really know once we get the couch. Ideally, I wanted the width of this mat to extend out from the couch, but I think it will just have to slip under instead, because it's almost perfect. Like if it was just a little bit wider and a little bit shorter, and it doesn't look right the other way around. But I was blocking the mic there, but I hope you heard what I said. But I feel like it's not worth returning just to have that extra 6 inches come out from the couch. Who knows, we'll see when the couch comes, hopefully. But I mean, the rug wasn't terribly expensive, so if I have to just sell it myself and get another one, I will. I'm getting a ton of stuff from Overstock because it's like super cheap and really stylish. So I leave the link to the mat below. Camera really isn't doing it justice. It's like a really soft jute fabric. Having a quick look through the prints that came, I think I'm most excited about this one. Still in the process of uncurling them, but this is probably my favorite one. It's kind of an homage to Fox Mulder's poster in his office from the X-Files, but I just thought it was funny. That's going to be like our graphic print on the wall. It's going to be like slightly one of the bigger ones, and I'm glad. I'll leave the sizes and the links to all of them below, but I'm glad I didn't go any bigger, because I don't know, I keep thinking this apartment's bigger than it is, and I think these sizes will work well. So that's an old actual monstera leaf that rotted inside the frame, for anyone that's wondering, that I'm taking from the last apartment. But these are all new prints as well, so I kind of wanted a mixture of textures and styles. So I've got some abstract art ones and some navy tones, because I am hoping to order like a navy blue couch, because I really want to get color in this apartment with the furniture. I think it would be nice just because the apartment is so white. It'll be the best way to get kind of color into it. And I'm just having fun with this apartment. I want to have fun with it. So yeah, I've got these like nice little feminine soft prints along with the abstract ones, and then once those are up, I'll kind of see what else that I need to kind of put around them. But these are the main ones that I wanted. I got them from Society 6, which is a very popular wall art website, and I really wanted to support some artists and their work. So yeah, highly recommend their website. These are some of the pieces I already am taking from the last apartment. I love this. This is by a French artist, and I think it's my only piece of like original artwork. I cannot wait to see these up and have a proper gallery wall. I just feel like gallery walls just show people's personality. So hopefully, once we mix everything all up with the stuff I have and the new stuff, it'll be fun. Alrighty, I think that is enough for one day. I will see you in the next clip. I hope you got what you wanted, stress perverts. 40 flights of steps today. I think it's safe to say 2 takeaway nights in a row is totally justified. I mean, this is part of the moving process, right? The final days, you guys. This is the last of our stuff packed up. There's actually quite a lot of junk, kind of goes all the way to the other side, but yeah, the apartment's starting to look very bare. The mirror's gone. Oh my god, like if you have a small apartment, a big mirror is essential, because this place feels tiny without it. But I'll show you the bedroom. My desk is gone, my extra rail is gone, everything is bare. And all that's left is the bed, because we will be probably sleeping here for another night or 2 while our other mattress arrives. But we're really happy to get most of the crap out of the apartment, and I'm pretty impressed with how we actually left this place. I think my landlord's pretty happy too, so we should get our deposit back hopefully in the next like day or 2 once she sees it today, because she's coming with movers for new furniture for this apartment. Oh, my pantry's all empty. My closet's pretty empty. And yeah, this is pretty much the last of it. There's still a lot more, to be honest, than I thought we had. Like, we brought a lot over the first day, but I'd say there's probably the same amount of stuff. So we might Uber pool it to the next apartment. Decided to be lazy and book a Zipcar. We had a really good experience with Zipcar before. It's basically like hourly rental for cars, but we already have our membership and everything, and you don't need to meet anyone prior, so you can book them really last minute. So that's why we're using Zipcar this time, and there's one super close by. So we rented a big 4x4 like Jeep type thing, and we're just gonna pile all of the rest of our belongings in. Also, can I just say, Febreze with Glade rubbish bags, fragranced rubbish bags. legit discovery of a lifetime. We were just about packed up. I'm pretty shocked that we managed to fill up yet another carload of stuff. So you can see there's more in there. I was already inside, but that's our sweet ride for the day. It was really affordable. It was only like $15 an hour to rent. Goodbye, Upper East Side, we'll miss you. Drive, guys, but not a hope would I put myself through New York City driving. Like, not a hope. Is in Havana. That's gonna be us next week. More to come on that. The coffee table arrived. Our mattress isn't here yet, but our pillow arrived because we wanted to try the Lisa pillow, and yeah, your pillow. I think you deserve it, to be fair. I tend to get the good pillows in the bed. We upgraded to a king size in the end. And this pillow came free with the mattress. So that was a really nice little add-on with Lisa. We are not going to unpack anything today. Like I said, the coffee table came and all of our stuff. I did think about my outfit, but I specifically wanted to dress like I was moving. I feel like this is a very 90s like movers outfit. Like ripped jeans, oversized boyfriend shirt. Yeah, I put a little bit too much thought into it than I'd like to admit. Like this video if you're excited as I am for all the content to come, all the interior stuff. I'm in my element. I don't know if it feels like it to you, but that was a trek of a week for us. Thank you so much once again to Squarespace for bringing this vlog to you guys. I know a lot of you guys are obsessed with moving vlogs. I don't see the grab, but I'm happy that you guys wanted it and that partnerships with Squarespace allow me to show you this kind of stuff. I've used them in the past and I'd highly recommend them. So if you are in the market for any type of blog, website, and you want it to look professional with minimal effort, minimal sort of tech knowledge, Squarespace is a fantastic place to start because it pretty much does all the hard work for you and you can just put in all your info and have a beautiful looking website in no time. So you can check it out using the link below or just typing in squarespace.com/Tarmer. If you decide to keep the website and push it live for all of the world to see, you can use my code, just my name, Tarmer, my discount code, to get 10% off your billing. So I hope you enjoy your free trial. And don't forget to subscribe as well if you want to see more moving stuff. Like this is just kind of like our initial move, but we still have a lot of stuff to set up. Obviously, I mean like literally pile of clothes example A. So there's a lot to come. Obviously I'll be going through my furniture as it comes along as well. So if you want to see that, be sure to stick around because there's a lot more to get through that I'm excited about. And yeah, I hope you don't mind that this vlog wasn't a spectacularly fancy vlog, as I call them, you know, slow-mo shots and cool music or anything like that. But we'll be back to that next week. There'll be more apartment stuff in my regular weekly New York vlogs. Fancy vlogs back soon. Thanks for watching, guys.